KidsVision TV.
Hello kids and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw a rainbow dolphin step by step. Let's start by drawing. First I am drawing its body and its tail. I am drawing its lower side and its face. Let's draw its eyes and its cute face. Red color. First I am coloring its face with red color. Second, orange color. Let's color a rainbow dolphin. Yellow color. Let's color yellow color. This is a rainbow dolphin. Green color. Let's color this rainbow dolphin. Sky blue color. Let's color its rainbow colors.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
This is the second last color, pink color. And the last one, indigo color. Let's color its tail. Oh, look at my cute rainbow dolphin. It's so cute. Let's make its body light pink color. Let's color its face and its eyes and tail.
Subscribe us for more videos.